It's transformed from a prominent playing surface to a premier sporting precinct. The completion date for the $2 million redevelopment is now in sight, with the few remaining touches being finalised.
We certainly are getting near the end now. We've accepted a tender for the lights, which will go in after the end of this season. Further works on the Ron Pillen kiosk, a few minor changes and upgrades.
By the start of next season, the amenities here at Ron Crow Oval will be fully refurbished after 10 years of planning and construction. When it is finally finished, the facilities will surely match what's dubbed the best playing surface in country New South Wales.
We now have outstanding facilities for spectators, and I think it augurs well for us to be able to host representative games in the future.
The redevelopment is all part of a council plan to drive the local economy by attracting more tourists to town to watch representative sporting fixtures.
Right across our shire, we are having a targeted focus on holding sporting events as part of our tourism strategy.
We've already had discussions with Country Rugby League. We had Terry Quinn, the CEO, here last week.
Council has funded the total cost of the redevelopment, and come next season, it's something the people will definitely be proud of.
They're proud to come along and boast that we've got one of the best rugby union, rugby league sort of facilities in the region.
Dean Foscarini, Win News.